Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a food business flyer on Pixellab. If you are new here, my name is RK Visuals. I give design tips and tutorials. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. So the first step is to open your Pixellab. Then we click on this, then we delete it. Then we head over to color here. Then we change the color of the background to this. So this is the color we are using for this flyer. So after doing this, you're going to click on imports here. Then we bring in the first element. Element is over here. Okay. So bring in the first element. I want to reduce the size. And I'm going to copy it and put it here as well. After doing this, I'm going to lock the three elements like this. So the second step, we're going to go to shapes. We're going to reduce the radius and expand this like this. Then click OK. We're going to rotate it like this. Then we go to color, change the color to red. Here we copy this and change the color of this too. Then we click on the to back icon like this and put it at the back. Now for this red shape, we're going to add shadow. I think we should add shadow. We're going to reduce the radius like this, yes. So we're going to lock this together. So I'm going to bring in the second element right over here. Here. I'm still going to have to edit the shape, but we can move forward. So now we're going to click on import again and bring in the second element. Now we lock this as well. Now we're going to bring in our first text. And change the color to the color of the background. For our font, we're going to be using and go to size, the line spacing, and rotate it. Now bring in the second text. So I'm going to adjust this to make sure that it's well rotated. I'm going to adjust this. So for this shape, the rotation is -8. Let me try to show you this. This one goes small. Let me just move it. So now we're going to go to shape again. So this time I'm going to be creating a different type of shape. So later I'm going to be creating a video where I'll be explaining more about shape. I should have made that video, but then I wanted to use this tutorial to also explain the ways you can use your shape on Pixellab. So for this tutorial I'm going to be explaining as well. So you can see the first shape I created. So you notice that when I'm done with this, the shape is different. So when you want to create this, you have to reduce the radius like I did, then the opacity you reduce it, then you come to stroke, increase the stroke like this, then you change the color to the color of the background, the color that we are using. And you can just reduce the size like this. So you can see that this shape at the bottom, at the background, is different from the shape I created. So this is just like one of the ways you can create shape. There are different types of shapes that you can create on Pixellab. So this is just one of the ways you can create such shape on Pixellab. So you can use this shape for your business flyer, your food flyer, in creating footers too. So when I'm about to create the footer for this flyer, you will see I'm going to create another type of shape as well. So this flyer is basically made up of lots of shapes. So that is what I use in creating it. If you look at the flyer very well. And we're going to rotate this like we did with the others. So now let's click on this, bring in the second text. Then we change the font to the font that we used for the first one, this font. Then we change the color to the color of the background and reduce the size and rotate it. So now I'm going to be rotating this. I'm trying to get the right angle. Let me just wait. So I'm going to be adjusting some of this now. So now we're going to head over to the footer to create the footer. So for the footer, I'm just going to be using this type of shape, the two footers. So I'm going to change the color. So I want to copy this right now. Move it here. I want to copy it again and change it to the orange color. And see how the footer looks. So now let me just make sure they are on the same line. So I'm going to be moving it. So I'm going to move this first shape. I want to make sure that they are on the same place. That's what I'm using this. So after doing this, I'm just going to lock everything like this. And see. Then I'm going to bring in the text. I'm going to change the color. And we change the font. So bring in the second text. So I think I used color black for the footer. Let me just use this the same color. And like this. So now I'm going to be bringing in the social media file. We're going to bring in the social media logos, the social media handle logos. Right now, we're going to just import one by one. So for the last logo that I'm bringing, that will be the YouTube logo. Normally, you can get your YouTube logo, you can get it from Pinterest, but I like to actually like design my own YouTube logo. So I want to be teaching you how you can use the shape icon to create the YouTube logo. Because you would have heard that we use shape to create logo, so you can also use shape to create the YouTube logo. It's very simple. So I'm going to be taking you through the steps. So you can just go to shape, then reduce the radius like this. Then you click on shape again. So I'm going to change the color of the first one to red. And this, you rotate it like this, reduce the side, reduce the side. You can just come here and lock the two shapes, merge it together. Merge it together. You can just erase the background. So that's how to create the YouTube logo on Pixellab. So you can use your shape icon to do that. So let's just continue with the tutorial. So now I'm just going to be adjusting these icons, so we can continue. So now we're going to bring in the last element here. I think the element is over here. So yeah, this is the last element. So that's all on the flyer. So whenever you are done with your flyer, always make sure you check for mistakes, whether there are mistakes in your flyer. So I'm going to be adjusting this like this. So that's all. So after this, I'm going to bring in the logo. So that's why it is important to always check your flyer very well. So I'm going to bring in the logo for the brand. So this is the logo. I'm just going to remove the background. So now we're going to be changing some things. It's very important that I actually fix the perspective and also increase the size like this. So this, I'm going to move this also. Let's just look all of this. So I'm going to be changing the colors of the icons to black as well. So now for the text, I'll be adjusting that as well. So now I'm going to save the image and I'm going to move to Snapseed to edit it. So always remember to save your image as Ultra. Always remember to save it as. So this flyer actually gave me a hard time because I had to keep changing to get the right perspective when I was designing it. So just click on this, then I'm going to bring in the image. So So for this flyer, I didn't use much editing. I just went to sorry, I clicked on tools and I went to color contrast. That was all I did, and I just saved it. It didn't need much, so that's why I didn't really do much editing to it. So I just saved it, and that's all. Guys, in my next video, bye.